This video I am discussing 5th standard mathematics, chapter 5, fractions, exercise 5.3. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Equivalent fractions. Look at these cakes. This cake is divided into two equal parts. One part is shaded or else selected. This cake is divided into four equal parts. Out of four, two parts are selected. This cake is divided into 8 equal parts, selected 4 equal parts. That means this is 1 by 2, this is 4 by 2, this is 8 by, this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 4, this is 4 by 8. The shaded part of all these figures are equal in size. We notice that in each case, half of the figure is shaded. Therefore, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 8. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Note, fractions which indicate the same value are said to be equivalent fractions. I repeat once again, fractions which indicate the same value are said to be equivalent fractions. Next, observe the following figures. Rectangle is divided into three equal parts. Out of three, one part is shaded. Here, this rectangle is divided into 6 equal parts. Out of 6, two parts are shaded. This rectangle is divided into 9 equal parts. Out of 9, 3 parts are shaded. This rectangle is divided into 12 equal parts. Out of 12, 4 parts are shaded. That means 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 6 equal to 3 by 9 equal to 4 by 12. That means 1 by 3 equal to, if we multiply 1 by 3 to numerator and denominator by 2, we get 2 by 6. Next, same fraction 1 by 3 is multiplied by numerator and denominator by 3, we get 3 by 9. If we multiply this fraction with the 4, we get 4 by 12 and so on. Thus, to find equivalent fractions, multiply the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number. By the same number other than 0. See, write two equivalent fractions of 3 by 7. This is 3 by 7. If we multiply 3 by 7, both numerator and denominator by 2, we get 3 into 2 by 7 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14. We get 6 by 14. If we multiply 3, we get 9 by 21. Therefore, 3 by 7 is equal to 6 by 14 is equal to 9 by 21. These are two equivalent fractions of 3 by 7. Next, checking the equivalent fractions. See, 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. By cross multiplying, we can check fractions are equivalent or not. For example, 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. Cross multiply. 3 into 12 is equal to 3 12s are 36. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Therefore, 36 is equal to 36. Here 36 is equal to 36. Therefore, 3 by 4 equal to 9 by 12. Hence, 3 by 4 is equivalent to 9 by 12. This explanation. Here, see 2 by 7 and 6 by 18. 2 8s are 2 18s are 36. Here 7 6 are 42. 36 is not equal to 42. Therefore, 7 by 2 by 7 is not equivalent to 6 by 18. Next, we conclude that given two fractions, if the two fractions are cross multiplied and the products are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. If the two fractions are cross multiplied and the products are not equal, then the fractions are not equivalent. See, find the equivalent fraction with given numerator and denominator. They are given one number, numerator or else denominator. We can find other part. 2 by 5, here 15 is given. If we multiply 5 with the 3, we get 15. Therefore, multiply 2 with the 3, we get 6. This is 6 by 15. Here, 3 by 7 is a fraction. 3 becomes 12. If we multiply 3 with the 4, we get 12. Multiply 7 with 4, we get 28. This is a fraction, required fraction. Next, exercise 5.3. Complete the series. 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. Here 2 is multiplied, both numerator and denominator. Here 6 by 9. 3 is multiplied by both numerator and denominator of 2 by 3. Here 8 by 12. 5 by 7. Here 2 is multiplied by 7, we get 14. 2 is multiplied with 5, we get 10. Here 15. This becomes 21. This is 5 4s are 20. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 7 6 are 42. As next, write the next three equivalent fractions. They given two equivalent fractions. We want to write next three. 2 by 5, 4 by 10. This becomes 6 by 15, 8 by 20, 10 by 25. These are equivalent fractions. Next, 3 by 8, equivalent fractions. 6 by 16. This becomes 9 by 32. 24. 9 by 24. 12 by 32, 15 by 40. Next, 9 by 11 is equivalent to 9 by 18 by 22 here. Next, 27 by 33. Next, 36 by 44. Next, 45 by 55. These are equivalent fractions. Just multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, 3, 3, 3. We get. Next, multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. We get these line. Next, 5. Are the two fractions equivalent? Mark with right or wrong. See, we want to check. First one is 3 by 5, 18 by 30. Just cross multiply. 3 30 is a 90. 5 18 is a 90. 90 is equal to 90. Therefore, 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. Therefore, 3 by 5 equal to 18 by 13. Two are equivalent. These two are equivalent. Next, second one, 12 by 17, 8 by 20. Cross multiply. 12 into 20. 12 to the 24. Put 0 as it is. Next, 17 8 the 136. Therefore, 240 is not equal to 136. Here, 240 is not equal to 136. Therefore, 12 by 17 is not equal to 8 by 20. These two are not equivalent fractions. Next, third one, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 7 by 21. Cross multiply. 2 into 21 is equal to 42. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 42 is not equal to 49. Therefore, 2 by 7, 2 by 7 2 by 7 is not equal to 7 by 21. Next, fourth one, 5 by 11, 25 by 55. Cross multiply. 5 into 55. 5 5 is a 25, carry 2. 5 5 is a 25. 25 plus 2, 27. This becomes 275. 11 into 25. 11 5 is a 55. Carry 5. 11 2 is a 22. Plus 5, 27. This is 275. 275 is equal to 275. Therefore, 5 by 11 is equal to 25 by 55. This is equivalent fraction. This is not equivalent fraction. Next, find an equivalent fraction of 4 by 7 having first one 16 as numerator. First one fraction is 7 by 4 by 7 is equal to, if we want 16 as a numerator, just divide numerator and denominator by 4. 4 by 4, we get 16 by 4. 7 4s are 28. First one is over. Next, second one, 24 as a numerator. 4 by 7 is a fraction. 4 by 7. If we want 24 as a numerator, multiply numerator and denominator by 6 and 6. 4 6 the 24. 7 6 the 42. This is the given fraction. This is required fraction. Third one, 21 as denominator. 4 by 7 given fraction. We want 21. 4 by 7. Just multiply numerator and denominator by 3. We get 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21. This is equivalent fraction of 4 by 7. Next, 84 as denominator. Just 4 by 7. Just multiply 12 divided by 12. 4 12s are 48. 7 12s are 84. This is the answer. This completes your exercise 5.3. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.